This is routers class, NET-223. We're doing OSPF. This looks a little crazy, but what we did, we started talking about OSPF and a few of the issues, and we drew a little example on the board. We took the pre-assessment today, and we looked at these routers, and we were actually looking at router IDs, and then we drew, I should say, a multi-access network with no real value there. And then we have some IP addresses, and we worked on together in class the concept of a designated router, but right now that router ID. If the priority is not set and you don't have any loopbacks, then it's going to take a live interface, the largest one. We did a separate example here, talking about a virtual IP in terms of being able to configure a network with multiple routers so that if one router is gone, these PCs can communicate to the other router. So you put in the virtual IP as your default gateway, and then the routers talk to each other and manage that. Hot standby for that. So we talked about that. We talked about the same scenario where you might have a frame relay cloud and multiple computers connected, so you might have a multi-access network through frame relay. We reviewed the idea of areas and cost for OSPF, and we reviewed the OSPF packets. Database description, hello packet, link state request, a link state update, and then a link state acknowledgement. The hello, obviously, make sure your neighbor is still there. They divided up into groups and did the challenge lab, and I believe they got fairly close to being finished. And we'll continue that on Wednesday.